Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a company called onedaysaving.com. Here's their website right here. And they specialize in diamond painting. They have the best prices that I have ever seen, ever, on these diamond paintings. I was going to actually subscribe to a diamond painting subscription box, but I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't, because this is the better way to go. Let me tell you, they have so many beautiful things here. I'm going to show you what they sent me. They had asked me if I wanted to review their products free of charge, and I said absolutely. I want you to know that they do not only have just regular paintings, they have other things as well. So let me show you. This is one of the diamond paintings, but it is a cosmetics bag. I mean, this is so beautiful. Let me see if I can open it and show you. Look at this. They have the thing on here, the cover. I believe when you take this off that this is sticky, so that is what makes the beads or the diamonds stick. Let me go ahead and open this. It opens at the top. This is so very pretty. I love this. So they let me select a couple products, and when I saw that they had makeup bags, I'm like, yes, please. You know, being an unboxer that's kind of unboxes a lot of cosmetics. Yes. So here is the tools. I guess this chain is, you know, to make it like a little purse thing. And then this is the tray that you put your beads on. And here are the different colored beads. Everything is in here. I am so looking forward to doing this. I've never done a diamond painting, but I've seen videos where other people do them here on YouTube. So I am so looking forward to this. So here's the little diamond things. All the different colors that I need. And then here, I'm gonna have to read the directions, of course, because, you know, obviously I've never done this before. But here they have, whoops, I don't want to lose anything with Brooklyn. My little Yorkie will get it faster than I can get it. But these are lettered here. This is a C. Looks like this has the number 8. And in, well, I guess that's supposed to be a B. Sorry, I think it's supposed to be a B, because here's A, and here's C, and here's D. So, willing to bet this is not an 8. Anyway, so I've got all these. I am so looking forward to this. You know, when you look on this website, they have so many different things to choose from. Like I said, it's not just all paintings. Look at this one, though. This is so cute. That looks like my dog right there. I have a little Yorkie named Brooklyn, for those of you that have seen her. In fact, I've used her for some of my, you know, pictures, my thumbnails, her and I. So cute. So let me go ahead and show you what else that I selected from this company. I'm gonna go and buy more stuff, because I mean, they sell so much stuff. I saw other unboxers unbox things from this company as well. And I want to say that they also have, from what I've seen from other YouTube creators, they have bookmarks. What did Reviews with Sue? Reviews with Sue unboxed this, and what did she pick? I forgot what she picked. I'm gonna have to review her video again, but there's so many things. So I've got this picture here with the flowers. Here's everything I need to make it. And all the beads are in here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I cannot wait to do this. So this is really pretty. I am so looking forward to making this. Let's see. Yep, those are the 2 things that I selected off of this website. So I was thinking I would frame this once it's done and put it, you know, in my haul or something. So very pretty. And so let me go ahead and go through the website with you. So we saw all these where they have the diamond paintings, the pictures to do. They have animals, they have floral. Let's see, they have a whole section. I don't know why I do that. Where everything's under $4, so that's good. They have a tab here that says preferred kits. So they have these kits as well that are available. I don't know what's been wrong with my speech lately. Been having major problems, but that's okay. So here's some more kits that you can purchase. Let me go here to the tab. I want to see I want to show you kind of what other things they have on this website, because when I was looking at it, I had so much fun picking out things. So you also get 2 free gifts if you order $50 or more on their website. So there is that information there. Also, if you use my link, I believe you do get, or, you know, I'll put a code down here. I think you get 10% off. It might be 5%. I don't remember, but I'll put it down here for you. And if you use that code, you'll get some money off of your first order. And there's the under $4. They have a Christmas collection here. They also sell cross stitch right here. So that's interesting. Here is trying to find everything, because I found, okay, they have do-it-yourself bags, the tote bags. They have keychains. They have a wall clock, a wreath. They have stickers that you can make. I saw a YouTube creator unbox the stickers too. I remember that. They have cards. They have the face masks. They have wall hangings, of course. They have the pillowcases. Look at Santa's pillowcase right there. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. They have notebooks and they have lights. They also sell storage containers for all your diamond painting materials. Here is cross stitch. So they do also specialize in cross stitch, I believe. So there that is. That's interesting. I thought I bought a cross stitch one, but I thought I selected one, but I didn't. I don't know how to do cross stitch at all, but I was willing to try. So I think that's kind of what I wanted to touch on, just everything that they sell in here. So here's the floral. I'm gonna go ahead and open one of the links. So here's like the floral patterns that you can choose from. I mean, they have so many. You just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Oh, and I touched something. Oh, look, I touched this. I guess if I spin, I might get a discount. Win an extra discount for your next purchase. I think I'm gonna go ahead and spin the wheel and let's see what I win. Let's see, how much do I get off? I'm really serious. I'm probably gonna purchase more items from this website. The items are really, really inexpensive, and that makeup bag really feels like high quality. 20% off. Oh no, then it went to almost. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay, it kept going. What'd I get? 10% off. It went from 20 to 10, what? Anyway, so I get 20% off. And that's my code right there. Don't know if I was supposed to show that to you. But yeah, that was exciting. Okay. Let me see if I can get off of that screen. My iPad is just running really slow because now well, not my iPad, I'm sure it's my internet. I went back, it's still loading. Okay, but I wanted to show you everything that this website offers. I am so very excited to have discovered this website. They reached out to me, and you know, of course, when I was selecting the products I had to search their whole website, and it is just amazing. You guys need to go check it out. I've never done diamond painting before, so this is all new to me. I'm very excited to try it, and I'm most excited about the makeup bag, to be perfectly honest. I wish I had gotten some bookmarks too, because I am way into reading. So I don't know why I didn't see the bookmarks until I saw an unboxer like myself open the bookmarks. And that, you know, I'm like, darn it, I wish I had seen those. But there's a lot of products on the website, so check it out. Again, I'll leave my links and the website down below in my description box for you to easily find them. And what else? I think that's about it. I'm very excited about becoming a member of this One Day Savings family because it looks like fun. I can't wait to try it. And if I do finish, or not if, when I finish my makeup bag, I will probably be doing another video to show you. Very excited about it. Can you tell? I really am. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Have you ever done a diamond painting? I'm curious to find out. And please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.